Hello guys, I have got an important thing to talk about today. In the ongoing sale, I found one deal that seems to be good and thought it might be important for some of you. Well, I found the SSD in Flipkart that is on sale for 2699 rupees for a 500GB one. It's from Crucial, the Crucial BX500. The pricing is good. Few months back you would get a 240GB SSD for around the same price. So those who are still using the normal ordinary hard disk drive for storage of their precious data, you should get this SSD. It will be faster and longer lasting than a normal HDD storage drive. Even if you have got an old laptop with an HDD in it, it's time for an upgrade. It won't make your system super fast, but you will surely notice some improvement in loading files, or can even use it as a boot drive, which will make your laptop a bit faster in booting up and restart of the system, and also in opening of softwares. One of my friends have bought it, and I will show you the unboxing, the writing and loading speed compared with a normal HDD and another SSD that I have got. And here's the package I have got from Flipkart. Nothing special, just the Flipkart package. And inside is the original box of the SSD. Cutting up the seals, the SSD in the plastic mold case, it's good that they have provided. The packaging seems good to me. Crucial did their part very well. Here's the SSD, and a manual booklet is also provided. The casing of the SSD is made of plastic. I thought it would be of aluminum, but it's not that the quality is bad, but for future longevity, metal casing would be better. But this is what we got. However, the Kingston Q500 comes with a metal casing. The Kingston Q500 is the one that I have got for comparison. Proceeding further, we'll do the testing, and this is the result. You can see the HDD speed is around 170 MB per second, and the BX500 is above 500 MB plus per second, and the Kingston Q500 is also around 500 to 550 MB per second range. So to conclude, I would say get an SSD in this sale and make your system faster and safer. But today is the last day of the sale in Flipkart, so get it as soon as possible. And I think around few hours is left. That's all in this video guys. If you have liked the video, subscribe the channel, and see you all in the next one. Peace.